Here we go. Yeah. So, start. Good afternoon, Manasa.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Doing well. What did you have in your breakfast this morning?
I have.
Hat.
I had. Okay. I had dosa. And you?
I had. Have you heard about appam?
Appam means uttappam.
Not really.
Okay.
It's a sort of Kerala dish. I had appam.
Okay.
I had appam with chicken curry in the morning.
Do you like appam?
Yes, I love appam. What about you, Manasa?
I had fish curry.
You had fish curry. You had rice with fish curry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so who prepared rice in the morning?
Yes, sir. I have to prepare rice.
Okay, you prepared rice in the morning. And what about you, Manugnya? What did you have in your lunch this afternoon?
I had fish.
You had fish, rice with fish curry. And you must have had the same food, right? Okay. Now, we will talk like strangers. Okay, when we talk like friends, we can only ask about food, movie, and everything. It's better we talk like strangers, so we can use do you, have you ever. Today we will add have you ever. What have you been doing? All these questions, okay? Chalo, we all are strangers, we do not know each other. Okay, hi.
Hi, sir.
My name is Shaji. What's your name?
My name is Mansa.
Manasa. What
What do
do
you
you. Go on, please go on.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student.
Are you a student?
Yes.
Okay, what is your qualification?
I PG.
I'm a postgraduate.
I am a postgraduate.
Okay, are you a postgraduate?
Yes.
That sounds great. You are highly qualified.
Thank you.
Okay, could you please introduce me to your friends?
Hi, friends.
Introduce me to your friends.
Okay, sir.
This is Mansa and this is.
Yeah.
And this is.
You can introduce me like that.
So this is Mansa.
Hi, Manasa.
Hi. How are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good. I'm doing good.
What do you do, Manasa?
I'm learning English now. I completed my graduation.
Oh, are you an undergraduate?
No, sorry. I'm postgraduate.
Are you a postgraduate?
Yes, yes.
Wow. Which college did you go?
Alluri Institute of Management Science.
Management Sciences. And what did you study?
MCA.
MCA. Are you an MCA?
Yes.
That sounds great. Okay. Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Oh, good.
My father looking for.
My father is looking for alliances. Oh, is your father looking for alliances?
Yes.
All
What are
the
you
very
doing
best.
now?
I am a teacher by profession, and right now I'm talking to my students.
Okay. Have you
Have you?
been working? Have you been working in
Teaching fish.
teaching fish since
2000.
2000?
That's a good question. Well, I've been working for teaching fish since 2009. I joined teaching fish in 2009. Later, I was promoted as the manager, and I bought this company.
Awesome. That sounds great.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's move on to your friend. Who is she?
This is Manavya.
Manugnya. Is she your friend or a cousin?
Cousin.
Cousin. Is she your cousin?
She is my cousin.
Okay. How long have you known each other?
I know.
We have known
We have known
Each
each
other?
other in my childhood.
since my
Since
childhood.
my childhood.
Oh, that sounds great. So you have known each other for many years.
Yes.
Oh, what's your name?
My name is Manavya.
Manugnya. And what do you do, Manugnya?
Studying.
Oh, you are still studying. Okay, which college do you go?
KMDC.
I go to.
I go to KMDC.
Oh, that sounds great. Do you cook food, Manugnya?
Yes, sir.
What kind of food do you cook?
Vegetable curries.
I prepare vegetarian food. Tell me, how long have you been cooking? I
I have been cooking
since my
room.
since my childhood.
Since
No.
last.
How long have you been?
Last year.
So you should say, I have been cooking for 1 month. Good. kind of films do you watch?
I watch historical movies, horror.
Okay, you watch all kinds of films. Okay, and by the way, who is she?
She's my friend, Shirisha.
Sirisha. Oh, hi Sirisha.
Hi, sir.
What do you do, Sirisha?
I'm learning English.
Nowadays? Oh, what's your qualification?
In qualification, I completed my BS.
B.Ed. Okay, so you did bachelor's in education. Oh, that sounds great. Which college did you go?
I have studied LB College.
Okay, you can say I went to LB College. I went
I went to
LB College. How was the experience?
That's great.
It was great. Did you have fun in college?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that sounds great. And tell me, how long have you been staying in Hanamkonda? I have
I
been
have been
staying
Hanamkonda.
in Hanamkonda
In Hanamkonda 1 week.
for
For
1
1
week.
week.
I have been staying in Hanamkonda for 1 week. Ah, that's brilliant. Now it's your turn to ask me questions. You can ask me, do you, are you, have you been? The question is your
Have you
choice.
lunch?
Okay, you should say, did you have your lunch? Because it's
Have you
lunch
had
time is
your
over.
Have you had your lunch?
Have you had your lunch?
Have you-
We have to ask have you had your lunch when you still have time to have lunch. Now lunch time is over, so did you have your lunch?
Did you have your
Yes, I had my lunch.
What?
What did you have?
What
What did you have in your lunch? What did you have in your lunch? I had rice with fish, and it is seafood, not the lake fish, river fish, seafood. Yes,
Who brought?
the fish.
Yes.
I brought the fish. I cleaned the fish. My mother prepared it.
Yeah, never seen a. Okay. It's possible.
How is it?
How is it possible? Here no sea. ఇక్కడ సముద్రం
No.
లేదు కదా.
There is a stall in Kazipet,
Okay.
and they get seafood from Kakinada. Okay, and every Sunday I go and buy the seafood. I buy crabs, I buy
You like
prawns, yeah, I love them. And I buy shark, I buy tuna, I also buy mackerel, sardine and all. I know to prepare all fish. I can even clean a shark. Yeah, next. మనోజ్ఞ మీరు ఎన్ని రోజులుగా ఇంగ్లీష్ టీచింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు ఎలా అడగాలి How long have you been
How long have you been
teaching English? How long have you been teaching English? I have been teaching English for the last 15 years.
Oh, that's just nice.
Thank you. Manasa, what are you doing these days?
I'm learning English.
Okay. I'm hitting the gym.
I am hitting the gym.
Okay. I'm looking for alliances.
Looking for alliances.
Okay, yeah, fine. And what about you, Manasa? What are you doing these days?
I'm working
I'm working in a school.
no
No. So you are also learning spoken English?
She also learning
Yeah,
English and
and-
Tally.
I'm Tally. Tally also.
I'm learning Tally. Are you looking for alliances?
Yes, yes sir.
Is your father looking for alliances?
Yes.
Very good. All the very best.
Thank you sir.
Okay. What kind of boys do you like, Manasa?
Responsible person.
Responsible.
Brilliant.
Okay, you can say he should be. He should be responsible.
He should be responsible,
He should be intelligent.
intelligent.
No.
He should be
Loving.
handsome.
He should be handsome. Okay.
He
And
should be loving and caring.
very nice.
Playful.
Mm,
That's
very nice. Good. Okay. Next, moving on to Manugnya. Manugnya, have you watched any movies recently? Have you recently watched any movies? You have not watched movies. How long?
recently
Theater ఇంట్లో లేకపోతే
Anywhere in the cinema or on TV, on phone.
on TV in Rakshasudu.
Okay, I have seen
Have seen
Rakshasudu.
Rakshasudu.
Okay. How was the movie?
Yes.
The movie was?
Horror movie, I think.
It's a thriller.
Thriller.
It's a thriller movie. So, did you watch this movie on TV?
Yes, sir.
But you don't have a TV in your room.
Auntie.
You went to your aunt's house, all the three.
Yes.
And where is your aunt's house? Is it very near from the room?
Yes, sir.
Is it at a walkable distance?
Yes.
Oh, she should be a good lady, right?
Yes,
She looks after you well, she prepares food for you. Such a beautiful woman, I must say. Okay, say my hi to your aunt.
sir. Already I will
To be told.
Okay, you have told.
Yes, sir.
She's a nice woman because to give you food and to entertain in the house, these days nobody does it.
Yes, sir.
These days nobody is even entertaining own siblings, forget about cousins. Yes or no?
Yes,
People
sir.
have become very materialistic, people have become very busy.
Yes, sir.
Today each person wants his freedom, wants his privacy. So they are not allowing, they are not entertaining relatives.
My auntie is
Hmm.
also busy, but
Okay, but she finds a time for you people.
She's a ninja.
Ah, okay, good. And what about you, Sirisha? Tell me something about your family. Father, mother, brothers and all.
My name is Sirisha.
Okay,
I love my family very much.
okay,
In my family, I have two siblings,
okay,
younger brother and younger sister.
okay,
My younger brother studying
okay,
and younger sister also studying her BTech.
okay.
And my mother is helped my father.
Mother helps your father.
Helps my father. My father is a farmer.
Okay.
He is very hard work.
He's a hard worker.
He is hard worker.
And tell me about you. What kind of a person are you, Sirisha?
Myself,
Yeah.
responsible,
Okay. Hardworking,
hardworking,
dedicated, determined, disciplined, punctual,
yes.
quiet. Right? Okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
have all these qualities in you. Okay. Fine. Do you have arguments with your roommates?
yes, sir.
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. And who apologizes first? Apologize. Kshamapana ever first aduguta.
Me?
So you apologize first.
Yes.
Okay. Who shouts loudly in the room?
Manognya.
Manugnya. Manugnya. Why do you shout? Because you're very expressive, right?
Yes.
You cannot hide your emotions.
Yes.
You're very expressive. You express love, you express anger. Everything is open. Like you are an open book. You don't hide your emotions.
Yes.
Right, okay. Manasa,
Thank you.
tell me what's happening. Anything that's happening in your life. Huh?
Nothing happened in my life.
Okay, then you should ask me questions.
What I ask?
What should I ask?
What should I ask?
You could ask me anything. You don't have a script.
I have no script.
You can ask, all of you can ask me questions. You can ask me questions on my habits, anything that I have done recently.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
He is still bachelor.
He is
He is
still a bachelor.
How are you?
What qualities do you expect?
What qualities?
Do you expect in a girl? I have no expectations.
Why?
I'm just like that. I respect. Each girl is different. So I like all qualities in girls. Some have anger issues. Some have little patience. But that's a beauty. I can't expect any qualities from
Enjoy the
anyone.
beauty. That's it.
Yeah.
Different.
Yeah. Different thoughts. Yes, I have a different thought.
You are thinking different.
Yes, my thoughts are different. Next.
Which kind of food do you like?
What kind of food do you like? What kind of food do you like? I'm a non-vegetarian. I can't do without chicken, mutton, fish, egg. I eat chicken, mutton, fish or egg Daily. I can't do without it.
Do you like sambar?
Do you like sambar? I love
Homemade
sambar, homemade sambar. My mother prepares sambar very well. She's an excellent cook.
When you take your home.
When are you
When are you take your home?
taking us home?
Taking us home.
I will never take you home because my personal life and my professional life are completely different. I don't mix. Yes. I can take you out but not take you home.
No clarity.
Very clarity. I don't want to give you any expectations. I've never shown my mother this office, you know. I've never taken my mother to this office. I've never taken my sister, my little niece. I've never entertained them in this office. Because office is profession, home is. You cannot mix. When you mix it, it gets ugly.
Okay.
They should know that discipline. You have to teach them. Or else my little niece, my sister's daughter will say, Mama, I am coming.
No.
My aunt's son will say, Mama, I am coming. I cannot entertain them. I never allow them to come to office. That's the discipline that I've got. Yes. Next.
Which movie have you watched?
Recently.
Which kind of movies?
Recently, I don't remember seriously. I have seen Super 30. Super 30 on Hotstar.
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah. Super 30 is a movie of a mathematician from Bihar. There is a mathematician from Bihar, Anand,
Anand.
and he trains IIT entrance coaching. He prepares students for IIT entrance. He picks students, 30 students, and he provides them free coaching. And these 30 students get qualified for IIT, NITs, and all.
That's very rich.
Yeah, he does service at a free of cost. Anand belonged to a poor family. His father was a postman. He had a little brother, and Anand wanted to go to Cambridge University to pursue his PhD. Unfortunately, they don't have enough money to send him to the university. He starts working in some coaching institutes, and he makes lots of money. But in course of making money, he forgets his past. He is reminded of his past by a boy who could not afford to join a coaching institute. He understands what he should actually do. He sets up a small hut, a classroom, and he trains his students at a free of cost. So he received many awards. And most of his students have gone to IITs, they have graduated from IITs, they are working for big companies. He still teaches in the same institute, in a small hut. Yeah, next. This is the movie I've seen recently. And you want me to turn it on? You have got some